As the demand for airport capacity continues to rise, the importance of safe, efficient and sustainable air traffic control becomes increasingly important. This holds true for both civil and military operations, calling for the implementation of intelligent, industry-proven automated air traffic control solutions. Saab's integrated digital tower suite is a modular and scalable platform that provides air traffic controllers with a comprehensive set of tools to safely and efficiently manage air traffic flows in a sustainable way.
The main target audience for this particular solution are air traffic controllers at large and medium airports, both under civil and military environment.
This is a common suite for traditional ATC, contingency and ramp towers and digital ATC. Contingency and ramp towers, thereby supporting a broad range of new airport-specific implementations and the digital or remote tower implementations.
What makes the solution so special is that it really harmonizes the integrated tower displays and the digital tower displays.
Key feature is a highly configurable controller working position, including the Advanced Surface Movement Guidance and Control System, ASMGCS, Electronic Flight Strips, EFS system, General Information Display, GID, and Airport Insight tools, and if needed, Saab's unique digital tower visualization system, allowing information to be shared between the automation and visualization system.
One of the great features of our system, which allows to work in a sustainable way, is for example the routing and guidance service. The routing service allows the system to generate the route from the stand to the runway and from the runway to the stand.
With an industry-proven track record worldwide at over 100 locations in more than 45 countries, using or automation or digital tower systems, Saab's integrated digital tower solution serves as a replacement, an upgrade, backup or contingency solution, or as a solution to provide digital or remote air traffic control. Discover the future of air traffic control with Saab's integrated digital tower suite. Our offer, your solution. Welcome to the Saab ATM family.